So our cue tip for the week is going to focus on our little phrase, I see. You can see I wrote the target words at the top so that we are combining those words with our visuals. I really want to emphasize the fact that when you work with kids, especially kids with apraxia, that we make sure that we're teaching the kids not to segment. So a lot of the kids will be able to do s, e, but have a hard time bringing those words together. So this is a really nice visual, and it shows the kids that they can draw out that snake sound, and then when it hits E, then we're going to say E. And then you can show them using the cards if they segment. So if we work together with the child, we say, I see. So it gives them a visual of how long they can pull out the snake sound. And then we can even, as we get to a more natural C, we can shorten that line. But it just helps them not to segment. And so if a child says, I see, then you can say, oops, you broke there. There was a break. You said, I see. I need them to stay together. I see. And if you had to, you could even draw a small line out here on this side and draw your E out too, so your E can go off. So again, our targets, I see, but we just don't want to segment. I always let the kids know by breaking the sounds apart when they segment so that they can understand that I do not want them breaking those sounds apart, because if we teach that motor planning skill with those sounds apart, that's how they're going to learn it. And then we're going to have to go back and reteach them together. So ultimately, our goal is I see.